Okay, so you tell me when you feel it tickle, okay?
I thought you were just going to crank it up and zing them.
No.
Not yet.
Tell me when it tickles. Is it tickling yet?
Look at the lid.
No?
Nope. That.
Nothing?
Mm-mm. Oh, I feel something.
What did you feel? It tickle you? Tell me.
It went boom
What did it do?
on my hand.
What did it do? Okay, let's try it again. Just let it rest there.
Boom.
It bumped? Okay, let's listen again. Okay, tell me when it tickles.
Oh, it tickled.
Did it tickle? Okay, so that's on 20. And when I use this on Mocha, it's actually 22. When we use it on Mocha, it's right here. So you tell me, can you feel this? Can you feel that?
Yes.
What does it feel like? A tickle?
Yes.
Okay, that's what Mocha feels.
Oh.
Tell Mommy to do it.
Mom, do it.
Honey, no, I don't trust her.
Whatever. Okay. Just do your hand. Are you kidding me?
I'm holding it right here.
Yeah, don't squeeze it. Just let it hang there. You're not feeling that?
No.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Huh.
Okay, now I just started feeling it. There.
Okay, so this was on like 24 and Mocha's 18. This is when I use it on Mocha, this is what she'll feel. Pay very careful attention.
Okay.
This is what Mocha feels. Do you feel that?
No.
Push the button yourself. Top one.
Well, I feel it if I put it on my wrist.
Okay, well put it on your wrist. That's what she feels. Is it terribly mean?
No, it's just like a little zhuzh.